Hi, this is David and Kelly with The Big Question, and today we're on site at Gehan Homes, Carnegie Ridge in Denton, Texas. We still have people asking us about the new home build process, and today they'd like to know about contingencies, and will a new home builder take one?
Okay, well that's a great question, and today we're here with Arnold Adams. He's a sales consultant with Gehan Homes, and Arnold, I'll pitch that question to you.
So most builders will take what they call a contingency when we try to sell them a new build job, okay? What a contingency is, that's when a buyer comes in that you bring us and they actually have a home to sell, okay, before they can qualify for 2 mortgages. And so the builder will actually take a contingency as long as it's a build from scratch home, we'll call it, okay? So what happens is it takes about 7 months to build a new home, and that gives the customer ample time to get with a reputable realtor, make sure the home is listed at fair price, okay? And usually the contingencies will last up till sheetrock stage for the new build. That gives you about 4 months to get the home sold and plenty of time before they close on the existing home that the builder's building for them, okay? So that's how they usually work. The thing that we won't do in most cases is we won't take a contingency if it's an inventory home that's completely finished. We're going to require that buyer to have a contract on their existing home before we would sell them a finished inventory home, okay? And hopefully that helps clear up some of the questions on that.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, it does. That's a lot of good information. Thank you. Well, if you have a topic for our video series, feel free to leave us a message down below. We would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.
See ya.